Hello everyone, welcome to this complete lead auditor training program on ISO 23412-2020, the global standard for temperature sensitive parcel delivery services. If you have ever wondered how vaccines, frozen food or lab samples stay safe during delivery, this standard holds the answer. And by the end of this training, you will not only understand the requirements of ISO 23412, but also be ready to lead audits, identify risk, and improve cold chain performance for your organization or clients. So grab a notebook, stay with me, and let's dive deep into the world of temperature-controlled logistics and auditing excellence. What is the training about? This lead auditor training program is designed to provide in-depth knowledge and practical skills to professionals who want to become certified lead auditors for ISO 23412-2020. This international standard deals specifically with refrigerated delivery services for parcels of temperature-sensitive goods via land transport. It is highly relevant in industries such as food, pharmaceuticals, biotechnology, vaccines, and medical logistics, where maintaining the correct temperature during delivery is critical for safety, compliance, and product integrity. Now let's discuss what is ISO 23412-2020. ISO 23412-2020 sets out the operational requirements for companies that transport temperature-sensitive goods. This includes the vehicles used, how goods are packaged, how temperature is monitored and recorded, how the goods are handed over at delivery, and how incidents or temperature deviations are handled. Now, why is this training important? Becoming a certified lead auditor for ISO 23412 means you can conduct internal and third-party audits of temperature-controlled delivery operations. Ensure that companies meet regulatory and customer expectations for cold chain performance. Lead certification audit teams and help organizations close gaps in their logistics systems. Open up career and consulting opportunities in one of the fastest growing sectors globally. With increasing regulations and customer scrutiny, there is a growing demand for qualified auditors who understand the complexity of cold chain compliance. Now let me tell you what will you learn. This training provides a complete understanding of ISO 23412-2020 clause by clause. You will learn the structure and objectives of the standard, how to assess compliance with the operational requirements like vehicle insulation and temperature control, packaging and sealing, parcel identification and tracking, handover procedures, staff training and hygiene. How to evaluate real-world logistics processes against documented policies and procedures. How to interpret audit evidence and identify non-conformities. Live audit simulation. To enhance practical learning, the training includes a sample audit role play, where you will see how an auditor interacts with a logistics manager, asks for temperature logs, checks vehicle records, and handles non-conformity reporting. This builds your confidence to handle real audits with professionalism. Now let's discuss about the training format and duration. The program can be delivered in two modes. Full 5-day instructor-led training includes detailed exercises, workshops, and assessment. Condensed 100-minute masterclass, that is maybe video or webinar format, perfect for experienced professionals looking to upskill. ISO 23412-2020 is not just about certification. It is about building trust and integrity in the delivery of temperature-sensitive products. By becoming a certified lead auditor, you position yourself as a specialist in one of the most critical and regulated areas of logistics. With this training, you will be able to evaluate, improve, and certify organizations involved in cold chain delivery, ensuring product safety, customer satisfaction, and regulatory compliance. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.